So late yesterday, had a brand new delivery from Creality. I'm nervous and excited to open this printer. I've been waiting since June on the pre-order. I'm sure you can guess what it is. So let's just get opening it and setting it up. This is the Creality K2Plus combo. Step one is to take out the plastic lugs, take out the top, pull everything out from the top, remove a plate, remove things out of the top, take all the spools out, move to the front of the printer, remove all the holding brackets, remove the CFS unit, take out all the extra packaging, remove extra spools. Let's get into it. Installation guide on top and some Creality stickers, power cable, bracket for the screen, screws for the filament buffer, set for Creality swatches, here's the screen, filament buffer, side spool holder, spare nozzle, an assortment of spare parts, some grease, filament cutter, PGFE tubes, and power cables for the CFS unit. And that is everything out of the top piece. Hyper PLA red, Hyper PLA blue, let's lift this out of the box. Here it is. Let's start getting all this tape off. Now we can take out screws here, here, here and here, and down here, and down here. These are holding in the CFS unit. Hiding here, Hyper PLA red and Hyper PLA white. Definitely much easier to take the CFS unit out of the top than trying to get these screws out down here. These out. Four screws holding the build plate. Next up, the screen holder. There's a notch at the bottom. There's also a small notch in the corner and an extra hole, but that goes into there. Attach the ribbon. Feed that cable through the front. Label on the back of the screen to tell you how to connect. Turn to the side. Put the side spool holder on there. Two screws here to hold the filament holder. Take this off while we're here. we have an RFID sensor and a USB port over here. This would be the top. So with the exception of the PTFE tube over here to here, the printer's now put together. But because we have the CFS unit, let's get that on top and connect it. So we're going to fix this way. Creality logo is the right side up, and this release mechanism you can get to. Find the two PTFE tubes. These are labeled to go from the CFS unit to the hub, and then from the hub into the printer. For a size comparison, I have my Bulldog P1S with the MS unit. They're roughly square at the back, and the K2Plus dwarfs P1S. I think we're ready to power on. Time zone. I gotta set up to a Creality Cloud. Now that the printer's unboxed, firmware is updated, everything's calibrated, CFS unit is connected. Let's break out the filament and get our first print on. We have Creality PLA, Hyper PLA white, Hyper PLA red, Hyper PLA blue, somewhat disappointingly, another Hyper PLA red. Test out multicolor printing with 3 colors instead of 4. Desiccant packs in the back of the CFS unit. Let's open these up. Similar position to those on the Bamboo Lab. I'm going to transfer my Bulldog black onto my space ball and see if I can get that going. I get 4 color printed. That's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. Look out for some more prints with the K2Plus. I'll be up here.